Alright, we're going to cinch the top of the pipe 3 inch. Want to make sure your pipe's good and sanded. Want to try a dry run on it. Make sure you got a smooth fit. Goes all the way in nice and easy. You're going to be adding the solder to this before you put it together. This is what we want to do. Clean it up real good. You don't want to lumps on there. You just want a thin layer. Crank up. That doesn't look too bad. You want a thin layer on there. You don't want it all globbed up on there. You never get your fitting on it. It's pretty good. It's even all the way around. Up to the side. Do the same thing with the 90. Should probably put my other gloves on. I don't want to use leather gloves, something heat rated, because it does get hot. Getting hot today. I've already cleaned this one up, looks good. Wiped it out, dirt. Same thing. A little bit of flux in there, don't need a lot. Pretty good. Just want to make sure you got it real good. You only want a thin layer in there. Let that cool down for a second. Up a little bit. I like to use my reamer on it. nice and easy. Get that off there. Like on there. See how that fits on. Look at that. That's what you're looking for. Nice and easy. I don't know if you can see the inside of that, but it's got solder all the way around the inside of it. It's nice and smooth. You want to add more flux to it. And you just don't want to solder this up like you would solder anything else. On the fitting the whole time. You don't want it on the plate. You want to draw that solder afterwards. That's what your joint should look like. That's all there is to it. I can see the solder on the inside, got 100% penetration.
Is that too hard to pick up and spin?
No, I can pick it up.
Couldn't show it up the camera.
I don't know how much of that you can really see, but if you look inside, you can see the solder in there. So, I mean, you got 100% penetration in there. That's what you want. Now it's getting hot.